Hi, Busker909 here. That's my version of Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash. Tuned to open G, G, D, G. Very easy song, one finger. Some of those parts might have looked a little tricky, they aren't. But I'm going to show you the verse first. And this lesson is going to be a little different too. At the end of the lesson, instead of a tab writing out all the strums, because the strums are all the same, I'm going to include a lyric sheet and the chords, so you can take a screenshot, print it off, and play along with the song and sing along with it. So the most important thing is the strum. And it's quite straightforward. I'm just using my finger here, the nail side of my finger for the downstrokes, and the fleshy side, which is softer and a little quieter, for the upstrokes. Works out quite well. And the count is very simple. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Bit of a swing to it, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. But don't worry about that. As you speed it up and you've heard the song, it'll just sort of come to you. But you got to get that kind of up to speed. I'd say if there's any hard part of the song, that's it. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So you just got to sit there until you can get it pretty quick. But that doesn't mean you can't learn all the parts. So as I mentioned, we're tuned to G. So the first chord is G. The only chords in the song are G, C on the 5th fret, and D. In the verse, you hit the C for 2 beats, and later on you hit the D for 2 beats. So it's pretty quick that way. Here's the verse. So that's like love is a burning thing. And it makes a fire ring. Like that. So having played that twice, that's the end of the verse. Then it goes to the chorus, which starts on D for 4 beats, C for 4 beats, G for 4 beats. Part it goes burns, 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 and you can play that if you want. That would just be open, 4, 5, so burns, burns, burns. And then ring of is 2 Ds, and then fire, and then 2 Ds again. So this is from the I fell into part. Those are the only parts you need to play the song, except for an intro, and there's a solo in it. So basically I'm using the, I think there's a bunch of variations of the song and stuff like that, so I'm using this line here. That's 7, 9, and 5. And then down here to the 4. 5, 2, 4. Back up here, 7, 9, 5, 7. Then a little variation. That's 4 again. 5, 2, open. And when you're doing that, you can let the other strings ring and use the same strum. It just ends up working out. And I believe if you use that as a solo, it goes right into the I fell into part. That's all you need. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day.